Hey guys, how are you? Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's look, I'm so excited. We're going to do look number 3 from Morphe 35T, Tease the Season, Artistry palette, and that is the Warm and Toasty. So if you are excited and ready like me, let's go and let's get started. So we're going to set our eye with Morphe. I always use this Morphe concealer as my primer to set my eyelid. I just make sure that they are properly blended before I set this. So just dipping my brush, this is just a buffing brush. I'm gonna dip it into Laid Bare and I'm gonna use that to set our eyelid. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my eyelid to set it, but I'm making sure that I also set my crease. Okay, so we're going to start on our crease. So just using the double-ended Sephora brush. This is we're using the crease side and we're just going to dip it into the full package. Okay, so that one there. Just dipping the end of my brush. And I'm going to start on the side first because that's where I want the product to concentrate. And then going in. I'm just going to use this buffing brush just so I can buff that extra product there because I don't want it. Okay, let's go back to our Sephora brush. I don't know how I'm gonna get to my Christmas party today because it's raining, like there's really a storm. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. Okay, just take your time in blending because it'll look good. It's up to you if you wanna like shape it like that, or if you want it rounded like what I did with the other one. It's really up to you. Oh my god. There's just too much rain. It's outpouring. It's like telling me not to go anymore. I think I'm not gonna wear my dress anymore. Because I don't know how I'm going to. Okay, so I think we've done enough on this side. I really love the color of it. Like, it's just so warm, like just in time for summer. So using our Morphe flat-ended brush, I'm just gonna clean that brush. I don't have too much product. I'm going to dip it into undisclosed, so that one there. I'm just gonna dip just the edge of my brush, and I'm going to put it just here. You know how when you're doing your eyeliner, that's where it is, close to the lash line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do our under eye as well, connecting the top and the bottom. I also love how soft this one is. It's like you're putting gel on your eyelid. It's just very easy to it's very easy to apply, and it's really easy to blend. And I love how pigmented it is. So if you're going to use this one, just put a little bit, and then you can just, because you can just build it from there, because you don't want to put too much, and then it's hard to come back from it. So I think it's better if you just do it a little bit and then just blend it. See how there's gap? I wanna connect these two together. Okay, so wherever there is no eyeshadow, we're going to cut crease that. It's up to you. You don't have to cut crease it, but I just wanted to do that because I feel like it's going to enhance that eyeshadow more. Like, it's going to pop up the color more. It's going to bring out that color a bit more. So I'm just going to use that same concealer that I used earlier, and I'm just going to put it everywhere, like just there. Actually, I'm going to cut that. And just so I don't have rough edges, I'm just going to like buff it. Okay, so now we're going to, while that is still tacky, I'm going to use my Morphe flat-ended brush, and I'm going to dip it into Privacy Please, that one there, and then we're going to put it. That's why I wanted to cut creases, and I'm using this light concealer shade, so that color will pop out. See how nice it is? Just fill it up with color with the Privacy Please for now. Don't worry if the edge looks harsh, because we're going to go back with our brush earlier that we used for our crease. So don't worry about being, I mean, like the edges are rough and all that. I don't really mind it. It actually looks nice. Look at that. That is so pretty. I feel like it's much prettier than the other side. Now, if you're the type of person who wanted to add a little bit of shimmer, it's up to you. You can do that. If you want to add shimmer on it, they have festive rush that you can put on top. So I'm just going back to my Sephora and I'm just going to go back into that crease, not adding any more product to it, but I just wanted to blend that two together. Okay, so that's why I said earlier you don't have to worry about that edge, because we are going to go back to our brush and just give it, you know, above. And just using a buffing brush, you can either use the brush that you used earlier to set your eyelid, or you can use an entirely clean brush, just cleaning the edges, making sure that, you know, we don't have any harsh lines. Into that inner corner using a small flat brush. Okay, very small flat brush. I'm going to dip it into our got receipts. And I'm just going to put it right there in the middle. Okay, right into that inner corner there. And I'm gonna put it here as well. Okay, so now we're just going to finish it with some eyeliner. Il Mikagi gave me another eyeliner. I haven't used this one. Il Makiagi, they gave me another one. So with the first purchase of the foundation, they gave me the Il Makiagi waterproof black card liquid eyeliner, and then on the second refill they gave me the ink liner black. Okay, so let's try that one. Just gonna show you. Okay, that's what it looks. And I'm just going to stamp. Oops. Oh, and I'm going to stamp that here. That's a good one. I like that. And then just bring it in. I like that it's ultra fine so that I can go in. Like really close and tight to my lash line. I'm just going to finish this eye. Don't worry about that. The way to hide that is to use your concealer. Okay, so you're just going to do that. And then it's going to disappear like magic. If it doesn't disappear, then too bad. Alright guys, we are done. I'm just finishing this look with some blush on. I use the blush on from Huda Beauty. That's the liquid blush on, and then I also use the Eat by Pores powder blush on top of that. And now we're going to do our highlight. And let's use this brush. This is from Nude Nature. I'm just going to do it here, just there. This highlighter is from Sephora. Hey guys, we are back. So this is now our final look. I'm just gonna finish it with some Morphe Continuous Prep and Setting Mist. Alright, so we are done. So this is now our final look. I really love that eyeshadow there. This is the look number 3 from the Morphe 35 TE Tease the Season Artistry palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do. I have to go now because my friends are calling me. They're like, I'm so late for the party. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next Tuesday guys, that's our final holiday makeup look. So I'm so excited to do that with you guys. So until next time, stay safe and God bless you all. Bye. Mm-hmm.